I'm okay with a gold digger or a diamond digger for sure. Because when it comes to my husband having the right partner in my life, I'm pretty much successful in it. And he is the goal that I was trying to dig in my life forever. Simple observation, how can people be so stupid? Like, where is my Lamborghini? Where is my bungalow next to the Juhu beach? Where am I walking out of my private jets? It's a term people love to use today on women when they think कि शादी का रीजन क्या होगा, पैसा ही होगा.
You just mentioned about not being judgmental, but when today judgments are continuously passed on you, there's this word that bothers me so much, gold digger.
Yeah.
And then there's a video of yours that you did with Nayan only, where you're explaining I hate to take diamonds, and even my engagement ring is not a diamond, it's normal. And then that plays in my head, and then people just tagging you along with this word of gold digger, which is so annoying because you've been earning money ever since literally you were a teenager. So that is like, what gold are you digging?
I mean, see, as compared to that term, if you call me, I'm okay with a gold digger or a diamond digger for sure. Because when it comes to my husband having the right partner in my life, I'm pretty much successful in it. And he is the goal that I was trying to dig in my life forever. And I found one.
Yeah.
But it's just a simple observation. How can people be so stupid? Like, where is my Lamborghini? Where is my bungalow next to the Juhu beach? Where am I walking out of my private jets? And I'm doing none of that. Economy, man. I travel economy, man. Where is that? So, I mean, it's just a term people would like to use it. And, I mean, let them use. I'm not here to like tell them what it is. Bill jab aata hai to meri fatti hai yaar. I mean, what do I do with that? So all of those terms are not going to help me pay my bills. I'm okay with this thing. But thoda observation zaruri hai. I think लोगों को थोड़ा देख तो ले. Like, this is from the thrift shop, man. Where are my brands? I'm not even showing off anything. So yeah, it's a term people love to use today on women when they think कि शादी का रीजन क्या होगा, पैसा ही होगा. Because nobody could never understand why I love Apurva so much and why I turned the world upside down, made it hell around for me also. But that was all worth it.
Absolutely.
So if I had to dig gold, I'm at a pretty good space.
Yeah. I just heard you speaking about living separately because
Correct.
of work.
Correct.
Which is such a nice way to do it, because I see couples fighting their lives
Yes.
off. Like 50 years, they'll fight every single day because of the commute and because of not supporting each other in their work. When you say this, I think a lot of modern couples today are doing that.
Yeah.
Even I know of some people doing that. But when this is taken as, oh, wo apne pati ke saath nahi rehti
know,
hai,
man.
and they are getting a divorce.
It sounded like, sure, ऐसा भी सोच सकते हैं लोग. I mean, I was so, when I heard that perspective, I'm like, oh my god. Actually, people might be thinking like that. People who don't know me, or they've just watched me staying alone in my flat, must be thinking, यार ये तो अपने पति के साथ नहीं रहती है. I mean, that is such a stupid thing. Where, I mean, I don't blame them also. I blame people who knew the situation already and then turning the whole perspective upside down, which was not even needed in this kind of a show. Alright, but I was still laughing because it has kind of worked in my favor. The kind of support I got from people, from media, from the celebrities that I know and I love, that are into my life. I think that was pretty much nicer. And staying separately is such a beautiful concept, I'll tell you very honestly. I'm a person who loves my space. And same goes with my husband. He loves his space. And मैं तो फिर भी अपने भाई के साथ बड़ी हुई हूँ. He's a single child.
Yeah.
So for him, involving someone into his space, when he had no intentions to get married and settle down, we don't have any intentions to have babies. Alright? So the best thing what we wanted for each other, and we are still young and happy about life, we're still thriving, passionate about our careers, so it was a very beautiful decision took by us, where I'll stay in a separate space, he'll stay in a separate space, I'm going to stay closer to my work, he's going to stay closer to my work, so that we can sleep peacefully, we can go to the gym properly, we can take care of each other's health properly. And it's a very exciting thing if you call me that way. As a couple, it's quite exciting when I have to still message my husband, good morning, love. And I still have to message him, good night, love. And in between, we have so many chats. There was a point in life where we used to stay together we had no chats except for दूध मंगवाना है, चाय बनानी है, भाजी लानी है, यही chats थे. And that life becomes quite mundane if you ask me. Our mothers have lived that life. It was
Yeah.
very hard to, have that spark alive.
True, that is so true.
But I think this makes our spark really alive. He picks me up for dates. He drops me back home. I mean, that excitement is really nice.
Oh, wow. Y'all are still in your like lover era.
We should always stay in our lover era if
That
we
is
love
true.
someone.
It's so good to end this conversation on that note,
I
Divya.
know.
There's so much positivity in you that I see today. Earlier also there was,
Yeah.
but as you grow
Quite
up, you
rageful
yes,
earlier
yes,
also.
that
I
is
agree.
true.
I
That is
completely
true.
agree. I love that thing about myself. I love this thing about myself. That aggression and rage comes through my conversations or something when I see some injustice happening.
Yeah,
It keeps coming from time to time.
as it should.
But I
yeah.
like to keep it for those things only. Now, not everybody deserves my anger.
True, that is true. But thank you so much for chatting with us. It was
Thank
lovely.
you, darling. It was
Thank
always
you.
lovely
Same
talking
here.
to you.
Same here.
Hi, this is Divya Agarwal, and you guys are watching me on FPJ Showbiz.